3. Okay.
Well, what we'll do is, to dramatize it, we'll plug in either a 110 or 220 power tool into what we call the power port and demonstrate utilitarian use of these battery packs. The way it works is similar to the way it drives. It'll drive down the batteries to about 20% SOC as it exports, and then if you continue to draw power, the generator will automatically come on and continue to provide power. We've run arc welders off this, 30 amp arc welder.
Let's get serious. Can we do a hair dryer off of this?
Not Stephanie's hair dryer. But we've run arc welders all day long off of it, a 30 amp arc welder. Pretty much anything in your shop you could run off the truck. And we even were charging a Nissan Leaf over here. This gentleman, tell me your name again.
Mike Thompson.
Mike Thompson built a nice cable that interfaced from the 220 outlet over to the Nissan Leaf charger. And we'll play some more of that. You know how they always say, always have a friend in your neighborhood with a truck? Don't let your Leaf neighbors know that you've got a VIA truck, because they'll be calling you for a free charge somewhere. So, okay, there we go. That's a demonstration. Also, right next to it, oops, sorry about that. This is from Clipper Creek. We got to flip this around. So the same power port also contains your J1772 connector. So this is a simulation right now, but you'll be able to discharge as you would any other electric vehicle. This is basically just an electric vehicle like a Leaf or any other vehicle with the added bonus of a built-in gas electric generator. So it's range extended like the Volt. But by tapping into that system for power export for a working fleet, it's a great way to get value out of it. And for a utility fleet, we have with us Nina Kisch from PG&E. She's the fleet manager for PG&E, and as you noticed, this is her truck. She's been nice to loan it to us. PG&E's been running, they're the first fleet in the world to get this vehicle. Has been running it since about March of last year, over a year now. And Nina, what do you guys think of your truck?
We think that the truck's great. We're looking forward to getting the production models and testing those out in real world applications. We're very excited about the technology.
Come on over here and talk about your truck.
All right.
This is just a kind of a pre-show demo here, but go ahead.
The important part about this for us is that we're emergency response first and foremost. And so even though all electric is great, it's not going to work for us when we're responding to an emergency, because that's when the power's out and we're the electric company. So what we love about this is we're getting 40 miles all electric every day consistently. So you've got the automatic gas savings, but then in an emergency, if we need to drive, if I have to send a truck from here to Fresno to respond to an emergency, we don't have to swap trucks and we don't have to worry about it. It's good for 100% of the time. We've got about 3,500 of this class of vehicle in the fleet right now. If we were to, say, replace all of those vehicles with this kind of technology, we would save about $9.5 million.
You could buy a lot of trucks with that money, couldn't you?
Yeah.
I got my PO ready for you.
Yeah, well, let's test that production model. So the technology is really going to work great for us. We're very excited about that. In addition, having the onboard generation means in the short term not carrying a separate generator, running all the tool circuits off, pulling up to a job site, being able to run all the tools all electric off the generator. What we're working on in partnership with VIA is increasing the power from the export. We'd like to get up to, well, we'd like to get up to 100 exportable kilowatt, because at that point we can plug in and restore power. So a crew foreman could drive up to an outage site, plug your neighborhood into the truck, restore power immediately while the crews are fixing the pole, restoring the wire, replacing the transformer.
Now technically, we have 150 kilowatt continuous generation happening all the time to recharge batteries. So for that to happen, we simply need to put in stationary cooling, additional cooling, like the large radiators and things. And we're going to grow into that. We're going to do a 25 kilowatt upgrade next, and then a 50.
At 25 kilowatts, that's a house generator. So you're,
maybe a transformer.
Yeah, a little, and eventually, once we can get it, then we can really start to improve our outage duration numbers and our frequency numbers, because it's not that far off that we'd be able to plug a strip mall into a truck like this and then have uninterrupted there yet, but that's a.
And that's more than a
partnership.
couple of nickels when you add it up across the whole network,
Well,
isn't it?
that's just going to transform the entire electric industry, which is why this particular type of technology is so exciting to us.
Yeah, we were talking to some folks before about the value of these batteries to the grid, and one of the great places that PG&E can find the money to pay for the new technology is out of these other applications, like how much money it costs all of us when transformers go down, they have to replace them, even when they're not in emergency. Just replacing them on a standard routine basis, maintenance, costs everybody time out. So that alone can pay for the technology as well. So there's all these great ways to help us go green.
As your local electric and gas utility, you're primarily judging us on your, outages, right, and the cost of service that we're providing. We 100% support all of the environmental goals, and the savings are incredible in fuel and weaning ourselves up for oil independence, and all those things are really great. And the transformative power of this kind of green technology then goes into the other sides of the business where we're really getting graded, which is safe, uninterrupted, cost-effective power.
It's been neat. As we've been, PG&E's been really progressive. You guys are really blessed here to have someone that thinks this far ahead. I've been to utilities in the Midwest where it's just hard to think about anything but gas, So these guys have been great. And one of the neat things that they're doing is helping to find the value of it across the grid, and that's part of the equation for everybody. We do have, what time is it? We have some time for test drives. People who wants to go for a drive. And I'll let you drive as long as I'm myself or Stephanie. Now here's the people from VIA. If you have any questions, talk to us. There's Kent Williams. You see this shirt. Stephanie right here. She's got a badge on, and she's got literature. And Nina knows about the truck. So just ask us. And Gabriel right here. I was looking for you, Gabriel. I was looking over there. Gabriel right here with a VIA shirt. And just ask them. There's some literature, and then we'll go for some drives before the presentation.
Yeah, I'll work on getting stuff we're good inside,
fantastic.
and then we'll do some more drives after.
I'll just hook up my Mac laptop to the screen, and I'm ready to go.